Make a great choice today with the 2022 Outlander Sport. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.